Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Elm Outdoors, and today we're back out at the river with my friends Kane and Cade, and this video is probably going to be a little bit longer than usual because it's 2 days put into one video, 2 fishing days put into one big video, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. We caught some great fish over the weekend, so I hope you enjoy. I'm going to get the net! I gotta get it, yeah! So right at the beginning here, Cade hooks a big muskie, and you can see I'm running to get the net. He hooked him way on the other side of the river, so we had to run all the way around to get the net for him. Still got him? What? How big was he?
Probably close to 40.
So once I managed to grab the net and come all the way back around, by the time I got back, he got off, and apparently Cade had him up on the bank 3 different times but couldn't hold on to the muskie. But unfortunately, I didn't get any footage of him with the muskie on. So we all fished for about 45 more minutes, and then Cade hooks another muskie with a big swim bait, and that one didn't come off.
Get it, King, get it! Oh, you almost broke off right there. Yeah.
Keep going out of the way. Just keep him hooked.
Come on, get him.
He's too far out. Slow, slow, slow.
All right. Yeah. Oh. Is it the
Just take your time. Take your time.
He's so good. He's got it down.
Oh.
Sorry, King.
Yep, don't worry about it.
Take your time.
Come on. They're not one of
Got
these.
him.
Another one.
He's so good. What bait do you have him on?
The blue.
Got him.
Yeah, I got him. Yeah.
That's a dandy
I love
boy.
this thing.
So that was a great muskie Cade just caught right there, his biggest muskie ever, 36 inches. And this weekend we also had some small suckers and minnows out there that we were trying to catch some fish on. And it took us a while, but we finally got one on the suckers and minnows.
Ooh. Got him? You can boat flip him, can't you?
Yep.
Bam! Northerino.
Little guy.
Awesome. Whoa! Good catch. Oh, I'm getting a bite. See it? Oh, just wait again. Got him! A fish! Little one, I think. Oh! Bass! Huh. Hey, that's a decent bass, too. Not terrible. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Little walleye minnow. Look at that, guys. Little bass. Back here at the river once again. Bass on the minnow. Fish! Got one! Not giant, but I got one. No, it's a northern. It's decent. Oh, I'm snagged in my line. He's not giant. I think I can boat flip him. Yeah. Finally, guys, I think I missed. I don't know how many I missed. Finally got one on the J11.
Okay.
Here we go.
Look how tore you up he is down there.
Yeah.
All ripped up on that.
Got one though, finally.
There we go. All the way across on the other side.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, finally. Finally. I think that, I don't know how many fish I missed. I probably missed 8 different fish. Bigger than that one, and I finally got one, so that makes me feel a lot better. J11 again, same bait I caught that one on the other day.
Well guys, that's going to conclude our first day out here at the river. Didn't catch a ton of fish, but Cade caught that nice muskie on that storm swim bait. But on the first day, we actually had some walleye minnows out there, but for the second day after we saw that there were some bigger fish in there, we actually brought out some northern suckers to try out.
Ooh! Bobber's under! Yep. He's eating it still. He's got it in the same exact spot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Got him! Fish! I don't know.
Here, Kate, I'll get that. I'll get that. Here, I'll get that on.
Oh, come on. Stay down, girl. He's just barely hooked in the side. There.
Get him. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I made sure I let him eat it. So there you go. 29-inch northern. Decent little fish, so awesome.
Get this guy back.
That didn't take long.
Awesome. Got him? Oh, nice one. I'll get the net. Small one. I'll net him anyway.
Oh, barely booked.
Yeah, here. Make sure he doesn't come off.
He
Yeah.
got that sucker down good.
Good, we got all age classes in here.
Yep.
It's good to have that. All right, let's get the release on this guy.
Little gator. Right off.
Awesome job, Kate. Well, guys, I wasn't even recording, and I got this little guy and a sucker, so another one. That's 2 pike for me. Kane's got 1 too, so we're catching them, just not the size that we want. So let's get a release.
They're hot today.
Yeah.
Little guy, maybe 20 inches, maybe not.
There he
yeah,
goes.
he was ready
Yeah.
to go.
Okay, I'm coming. You got one? Okay. Big one? Oh, it's a little one? Hey, that's decent.
He's illegal.
28?
Yep, barely under 28.
All right.
He's 28
He's
inches.
chubby.
But it's mouth blood. It's not gill blood. He'll be fine.
Yeah.
Mouth blood isn't a big deal.
There you go.
See, yep.
There he goes. Good job, Cade.
Yep, good job, man.
Awesome. Where's my bobber? My bobber's under. Just right. Yep, bobber's under. Okay, let him eat it. Got him. Yep. Fish. Never mind. He's swimming right at me. It's a little one. Never mind. Oh my gosh.
Small net, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought he was a big one. I thought he came off too. He's got it good. I couldn't see, wasn't paying attention.
Hey, buddy.
Couldn't see my bobber. Yeah, all right. Well, we're getting them, just not big ones, I guess. Another little northern. All right, put them back.
What's that total for the day now? 5?
Yep, I've got 3.
Yep,
So,
I have 1 and Kate has 1.
everybody's on the board except my dad.
For the 2nd day in a row now.
There he goes.
Oh,
There he
yeah.
goes.
All good releases so
Yeah.
far, too.
Robber's under?
Not a bad one.
Not a bad one?
Just about took my rod.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah.
Man, I'm so discombobulated. I just fell down in the mud.
Set the camera down, I'm sorry. Dad's finally on the board. 2 days without catching a fish. I finally got one.
Awesome. And the big sucker, too.
Yeah, that was a big
Almost
sucker.
pulled your rod in.
Don't be easy, you know.
Oh, yeah. Hey, good to go.
Oh, got him? Where's the net, Kate? Here.
He snagged that fish.
Take it. Go. Run. Is that him?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Is that the one I had?
Oh,
It's a nice one.
Get him.
Yeah, he's not in yet.
Get him.
Snagged.
Yeah,
There you can see yourself.
finally. That might be the biggest fish I've caught in my life.
Yeah, I bet he's 32.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna guess.
32.
Oh, 32 and a half.
32 and a half.
All right, release.
32.5-inch muskie.
Biggest fish of my life.
He's good. Awesome. Nice hook.
He didn't swim down right. Oh,
There he goes.
Yeah!
Hey, Kane.
Yeah!
Awesome, buddy.
Oh, bobber.
Oh, yep. 1, 2, 3. Got him, fish.
Little.
I'm not sure. I think it's little.
Here, I can just grab it.
He's a little one.
Yep, a little longer. That's maybe the smallest one of the day.
Well, that's definitely the littlest northern of the day. I bet he's only 15, 14, well, he's bigger than that, probably 16 inches long, but another little guy on the minnows.
Got one going.
Got one?
Yep. Small.
No, not. Great job, Kane. Little northern?
Yep.
Cool. Well, I had to put the camera away because it was raining, but I got this little guy in a sucker again. I think that's my 5th northern of the day. I'm not sure, 4th or 5th, but we got another one. Let's get a release on him. Whoa, he was ready to go.
Strong and gone.
What happened, Luke? Yeah, got one. Got him on the J11 Fire Tiger. Fire Tiger J11. Another just
Right next to shore.
good little northern, right next to shore. Fouled it up, watched him eat it. That was cool. So let's get a release on this guy.
Good day today.
Yeah.
A lot of fish.
That is my 5th or 6th northern. I'm not sure of the day. I haven't been keeping track really. But yeah, great day out here for the 2nd day. Let's put this guy back. There he goes. Awesome.
Yup. Rough net drop. Popped right out. Oh, he's up for 20s again. That one's a little smaller, 26.
29, a little
Still-
over 29.
Still bigger than I thought he was.
Yeah, he's a nice one. He's chunk.
A little over 29 on a Rapala Rippin' Wrap. So there's another one. I think that's my 6th or 7th. I'm not sure, but on a Rapala Rippin' Wrap. There we go. There he goes. Awesome. Well, if you guys have made it this far throughout the video, here's a little bonus clip for you. We'd probably been out there for 7 hours already just fishing for these northern and muskie, and we'd probably went an hour straight without even having a bite at this point. So me and Kane were just standing next to each other talking casually, and Kane actually gets a bite and he sets the hook right into my face, but it's my fault for standing so close to him with that 7.6 rod he's got. Really?
Oh, dude. Sorry, man. Dude, that was a crazy bite.
Really?
I felt that thing rip. He just about took
Holy
it out of my
crap.
arm. Sorry, dude.
My
I'm not
nose
used to
hurts.
This rod is so long.
Alright, that's going to have to wrap up this weekend's adventure out at the river. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, it was crazy. I don't even know how many northerns and muskies we caught this weekend. We were definitely on a bite. But don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.